Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept an invite on the Govee app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just moved into a friend's place and they're trying to give you access to their Govee products. How do you actually go ahead and accept an invite on the Govee app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, first, let's go ahead and open up Govee Home app if you haven't already installed it. Now, at this point, you would need to create an account. So right now I already have an account created. So once you log in, your homepage is going to look like this. On the bottom right hand side, click on your profile icon. Next, scroll down and then click on device sharing. And then from here, click on accepted. Now on this page here, this is the really complicated part that I had to figure out. Click on message. And then you should see a notification that says device sharing notification. You have a device sharing invitation to confirm. Click on that. And as you can see, there has been a shared device with me. This is where you're going to go ahead and accept it. And there you go. It's been successfully set. Check relevant devices in the device list. Now, some troubleshooting problems that you might run into is that before you receive your invite, I do recommend that you create your Govee account first and install the Govee app. If you get invited before you create your account or before you install the app, it kind of like bugs out or gets wonky. Sometimes you still receive the invite, sometimes you don't. But just to ensure that you get the invite, create your Govee account first, then get the invite, then click profile, check your messages, check the device sharing notification, and you should see the device shared with you there. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and accept an invite on the Govee Home app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.